How to delete Instagram watch history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. You cannot directly remove Instagram watch history. Click on magnifying glass like option at the bottom. Click on search at the top and then click on cross mark, which may be related to your watch history. After you have removed this, go to your profile located at bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on your activity. After you click on your activity, click on likes, which is the first option. Click on select at the top. After you click on select the video you want to unlike that you watched. Click on unlike at the bottom. Then go back to comments. After you click on comments, simply click on select at the top right corner of your screen again. If you have commented on that video, simply delete the comment, click on delete at the bottom, and then you're good to go. This is how to delete Instagram watch history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.